How to send XLM to Lobstr. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up Lobstr account and you can open it up on your mobile device also, and the process is absolutely similar. We will be using Binance in our case or this example, but you can send XLM using any other exchange also, and the process is pretty much similar. All you have to do is just go to the Lobstr account first, and over here you will find the option of receive. Just click on it, and here you will find the option of stellar address. In case if it is on federation, just change it to stellar address, and after that just click on this option of copy address in order to copy it up, and this is your address. And in case if you want to show your QR code to someone and want them to send XLM using your QR code, then you can show up this QR code to them. So in this case, we will just copy the address, and after that we will go to Binance. And on your Binance, you need to open up your wallet, and also if you are on some other exchange, just open up your wallet. Let me go to Fiat and Spot wallet, and over here I see the XLM amount over here. In case if it is somewhere down there, you can just simply search it up over on the search coin option. Now just click on this option of three dots, or you will be able to find this option of withdraw. Just click on withdraw, and here you need to paste the address that we just copied and confirm it. And no memo will be required when sending the XLM to Lobstr. You can also see it over here. It says that no memo required. So just type the address, but this is only when you transfer your XLM to Lobstr. Otherwise you require memo every single time. Otherwise you can just simply lose your XLMs. So it's better that you follow this process quite carefully. And after that, you just have to type the amount that you want to transfer. If you want to transfer maximum amount, then just simply select maximum, and after that just simply click on this option of withdraw. And this is how you will be able to transfer or send XLM from any exchange to Lobstr. And this is how easy it is. After a while you will be able to see it in your Lobstr wallet, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.